Welcome back, guys. It's the TightWad, and today I'm going to show you my preferred method for lighting my big green egg smoker. I've had all the different type lighters, from the loop lighter to the electric starter to the big green egg starter blocks to the tumbleweeds to the Fogo starters and even the benzomatic propane torch. But I found this is the easiest and most readily available way to light your egg. So it's time to light the egg to get it ready. And I like to light my egg now with an oil-soaked paper towel. You can use any type of cooking oil to soak the paper towel. And then you simply light it and add your lump on top. And it has become the easiest, most consistent way I've found to light my egg. I always like to light my lump from the bottom because fire naturally will climb as it burns, and I have a better chance of it igniting the whole basket of lump if I light it from the bottom. So once I light it, I make sure that my upper and lower vent are wide open, but I also leave my egg open for about 10 to 15 minutes to let it get going nice and hot before I close it down and start adjusting my vents to the temperature that I want to cook at. It's been 10 minutes and you see my fire is going strong, so I'm going to shut my egg. At this point, I'm going to adjust my upper and lower vent to about the temperature that I want to cook at. And the settings you see me doing here get me to about 500 degrees, which is great for grilling steaks or searing other types of meat. Once I have my vent set, I give it about 15 or 20 minutes to get to the correct temperature, and then I adjust my upper or lower vent accordingly to get exactly where I need to be. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I have a lot more videos showing things I've cooked on my big green egg smoker, as well as repairs I've made around the house. If you want to see one of the videos shown on the screen right now, click them and they'll open right up on your device. Leave any questions you might have in the comments section below. Click the notifications bell after you've subscribed so that you always get notified whenever I post a new video. I hope you guys have a great day.